Hi everybody, this is Mia, and I'm going to sing everybody a song. It is called Good Morning. It's in the morning. It is 6:56 on a Thursday morning. I'm getting mixed up since we had a couple days off since of the snow. So I'm going to sing a song. It's called Good Morning. Good morning, red bird. Good morning, orange bird. Good morning, yellow bird. Good morning, green bird. Good morning, blue bird. Good morning, purple bird. Good morning, pink bird. Good morning, brown bird. Good morning, black bird. Good morning, beige bird. Good morning, white bird. Ouch. Bye, everybody. Salute, salute.